Hey guys, this is a before on my project called Project 1964. First you're looking at the living room, then a couple of shots of the kitchen slash eating area slash dining room area. It's 3 separate spaces in one large room. Then you're going to take a look at the family room. A couple of shots of that. The half bath on the first floor. Another shot of the kitchen where you can quickly see the patio. The first floor hallway. Laundry room. Then the laundry room and the computer room. Second floor hallway, bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, the main bathroom on the second floor, bedroom number 3, bedroom number 4 / master bedroom, a couple of shots of that. Back to the first floor, the second hallway on the first floor. I just wanted to give you guys a quick preview. This is the before again, and I will have an update of the after, room by room, because we did this room by room instead of a complete project at the customer's request. So I will post an update